The RTX 5060 scored 32% higher in benchmarks than the 5050, but cost only 18% more. Here's the data breakdown to find the real value winner. But first, let's start by looking at the benchmark methodology. For now, all of the benchmarks are based on the 4090 being set at index 100 for each resolution. So if a GPU has a score of 50 in say 1080p, that means that it delivers about half of the FPS of the 4090 at 1080p. And now, let's look at the numbers. At 1080p, the 5060 scores 52 points compared to the 5050's 39.3 points. That's a 32% increase. At 1440p, the gap widens, 36.1 versus 26.1. That's a whopping 38% performance lead. Even at 4K, where both cards struggle, the 5060 maintains a 14% edge with 23 points versus 20.1 point. And the price difference? The 5060 costs $295, whilst the 5050 costs $250. That's $45 more, or about 18% more. But what about the power consumption? The 5060 draws 145 watts, whilst the 5050 draws 130 watts. That's a 15 watt difference. Based on typical gaming hours, that's about $2 to $3 extra per year on your electricity bill. This can basically be ignored. And here's the kicker. The 5060 actually delivers better performance per watt. So you're getting more performance for every watt consumed. So which card should you actually buy? Choose the RTX 5050 if your budget is absolutely locked at $250 and you can't go any higher. Or if you're only playing at 1080p with less demanding titles like esports games. The 5050 also makes sense for compact builds where every watt matters. But choose the RTX 5060 if you can afford the $295 price tag. Especially if you want the 1440p capabilities for playing more demanding AAA games. The 5060 is also the better choice for future-proofing. It'll stay relevant for 2 to 3 years longer. The data is clear unless you're absolutely locked into the $250 budget. The 5060's 32% performance advantage for 18% more money makes it the smarter pick. You're not only just buying more frames, you're actually buying resolution flexibility and longevity. Current pricing links in the description below. If you want the best value part selected for you automatically based on real-time data, check out maxmybuild.com, link in the description. If this data helped you decide, hit subscribe for more no-fluff PC building guides, and I'll see you in the next one. If you like this video and would like to watch more videos like this, then maybe check out this video about the Steam Machine.